If you want to make sure your YouTube channel is listed in the right category, then this video is for you. In today's video, I'll show you step by step how to change your channel category on YouTube. First of all, open up Google Chrome or whatever browser you are currently using. Then go to youtube.com. One thing, you'll make sure that your channel is logged in here. Then tap on this profile icon here. Press on YouTube Studio and it will redirect you to your channel dashboard. Then tap on this settings menu here in the bottom left corner. Press here on Upload Defaults. Advanced Settings. Here in the category section, choose what suits for your channel. Do further important settings for your channel. And press on Save to apply these settings. That's it for today's video. If this helps you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.